All right, so welcome to this demo. We're going to do a demo of Statfluence. The new version has been released and it works, and we're going to do a demo how to use it. So first thing we go is it only works in WhatsApp Web. So let's open WhatsApp Web. All right, so we'll log in. The link devices. Here we go. All right, it's logging in. Let's wait for it to sync up. What I usually do is let everything finish syncing up in order for all the contacts to show up and the profile names and any other data that would be exported through Statfluence. All right. So here we go. We have WhatsApp Web open. All right, so let's go to install Statfluence. So we go to statfluence.com, statfluence.com, and we can click Add to Chrome. From there, we can also find it in the Chrome store. Click Add to Chrome. All right, it's been added. So now it automatically refreshed WhatsApp Web in the background, as you can see. And all right, it's right here. It's in the background. You can open it, close it. If you're actually looking at a chat, the extension would be right here. You can toggle it on. The mini version of it, this is a little mini version of the extension, and you can open it. You can chat with any number, any phone number. If they have a valid WhatsApp account, you'll immediately be able to chat with them. Let's try a number here. There, I'm chatting with the number. Happens to be a number that's saved in my contacts already. So that is this feature right here. The other option is, you can export contacts. You can go export contacts from chats. And from when you go to export from chats, if it'll export all the numbers. And if there's a profile name within the contact, it'll export. So there's no profile name available. So it will just display the info. It'll display in the profile name just like a W. And like the phone number will be in the profile name section. So you can custom put in some information for profile names, and you can make that name, that whatever you put in this field, show up just on unknown numbers or all contacts, even if there is a profile name for those users that have that want to do marketing, whatever it is. They just want to save all contacts under a certain name. And then when it actually exports, what it looks like is, let's try to export to see what it looks like. Okay, it says I have to purchase. So here, let's go to purchase it. I would click here. It would take me to the website, which is where we're at. And then sign in. So over here we really sign up because there's no account. So we sign up for an account. Let's suggest a strong password here. Agree and sign up. All right, I'll have to confirm my email. And over here I can select the subscription. First I have to confirm email. Okay, so let's go to the email. Let me confirm that email here. Just do it on my phone in the background. I click confirm, and it is done. Confirmed. Okay, so now let's refresh and see what it looks like. All right, that thing is gone. Now I can select the subscription, and we'll add a phone number. We'll do this one I'm looking at, 650-731-2588. And it says just make sure there's WhatsApp Web and WhatsApp in your phone displays phone numbers differently. It's something I don't understand why they do it, but they do it. We constantly have users reaching out saying, "Hey, I subscribed, but I'm not able to use it," because they're adding the phone number that's in their phone and not the one that's displayed in WhatsApp. So this is just make sure that you're adding the number that's displayed in WhatsApp. I click continue, and just one more time, confirming that again. And now we'll go to the payment site, which is Stripe. And first I have to enter a code. Okay, that's interesting. All right. There. I'm going to be able to use the card. Name on the card is that. Subscribe. There you go. Now it's subscribing. All right, it worked. It's going to take me back. And now I can use this number. So now if I go back and I X this out and I click export again, it should work immediately. Boom. Here's the file. I open it and it's showing this is exporting from unsaved numbers from chats. Let's go to opening the file. There we go. All right. So here we have. Okay, so you can see the way phone numbers are displayed here. So if we were to, this is because I did not custom anything in the field where I can edit the profile name. So let's attempt to actually put something in there. So I'm going to write test, and we're gonna do it for all contacts. Let's try exporting the same file again. Let's open it. Here's the new file. Every single one shows test. It overrode all contacts. And there you go. They're all here. Users can export, so they can do saved, unsaved, and all of them. They can export to a vCard, which can simply be imported to Google Contacts or to Excel. And the Excel can be converted to CSV and imported if that's the only format that the import is allowed to. And the same thing is for exporting. If you click, let's say, export to WhatsApp, it will send the file to myself right here. See that? If I hide this away, here's the file that was just exported. Let's say I click over here and I do it from over here. You'll see it'll export to WhatsApp. It'll change the chat in the background. There you go. Exported it again. All right. That's exporting. And you can export from groups, both. You can export your full contact list. This is users that whether you've chatted with them or not. In WhatsApp, this is any user in your phone book. If you have 20,000 contacts in your phone book and only a certain amount of them have WhatsApp, whichever phone number actually has a WhatsApp account will be exported here. And you can also export from labels using the Save Contacts feature. Let's just go there. All right. It says to enable Save Contacts feature, I have to export the app. So here, let me just do a screen share on my phone. All right, so we're going to go to search Statfluence. There we go. And we're going to download the app. All right, let's open it. Allow notifications. So now I'm going to log in with the same exact phone number, the same way it's displayed. The same exact number I registered, 7312588, and log in. The code is actually sent to WhatsApp. So let's just go to WhatsApp here. And if you don't get the code right away, you could always find it at the dashboard at the top. There it is, right there. Right at the top. The code doesn't show. For me, it's not showing up right now. Then it shows up at the top. So let's enter it, 104025. And now I'm logged in. Statfluence would like to access your contacts. You click yes. All right. Now it's displaying. You see the same contacts that displayed over here are also displaying in the phone. So now when I click, let's save them as 2588. That's how I'll do it. We'll do it for all. And we're going to save contacts. We're just going to do the unsaved contacts here. Right? And we're going to save them. Here we go. Let's click. So let's close out the app. See what happens. So when I click save, notification is sent to the app. So I have to open it in order to complete the syncing. All the contacts are now being sent from WhatsApp web to my phone, and they're saved in my phone book. So now all the contacts have been saved. And it says complete. Here it just says, sometimes there's a delay. If you just leave it, there could be a delay. But now let's go look in my phone book and we'll see that all these contacts are there. Let's type 2588. See, all of the contacts have been saved to the phone. Let's see if we open up WhatsApp here, like these. Here we go. Let's see. 2588. You see all the contacts have been saved, 2588. We can see in WhatsApp Web, they've all been saved. If we go back to here and it'll refresh, you see there are 0 unsaved contacts. And this is how the extension works. This is it. You see, so you can use it, once a day, a couple times a day. Just click save if you have a lot of contacts you want to save. And they all get saved this way. And here's your demo view. Thank you and have a good day.